Are you tired of working for someone else and dreaming of starting your own business? Do you feel like you have the drive and the passion to be your own boss, but don't know where to start? Well, you're not alone. Starting a business can be daunting, but the secret to becoming a successful entrepreneur is simpler than you think. Hey there, it's great to have you here. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur looking to start your own business, or you're already running one and want to take it to the next level, then you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you the one secret that all successful entrepreneurs have in common. It's not something you can buy or learn in a book. It's something you already have inside of you. So what is this secret? It's simple. It's all about mindset. Successful entrepreneurs have a growth mindset. They're constantly learning, growing, and evolving. They're not afraid to take risks, make mistakes, and pivot when necessary. They embrace challenges and see them as opportunities to learn and grow. But what exactly does a growth mindset look like in practice? Here are a few key traits that successful entrepreneurs possess. They're always learning. Successful entrepreneurs never stop learning. They read books, attend workshops and conferences, and seek out mentorship from others who have already achieved success. They take action. Entrepreneurs with a growth mindset don't wait for the perfect moment to take action. They know that there's no such thing as a perfect plan, so they take action even when they don't have all the answers. They embrace failure. Failure is not the enemy of successful entrepreneurs, it's a necessary part of the journey. They know that failure is just feedback and use it as an opportunity to learn and grow. They surround themselves with the right people. Successful entrepreneurs know that they can't do it alone. They surround themselves with supportive, like-minded people who believe in their vision and push them to be their best. So there you have it, the secret to becoming a successful entrepreneur is all about mindset. It's about having a growth mindset, embracing challenges, and never stopping learning. If you can adopt these traits and apply them to your own life and business, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and becoming the entrepreneur you've always dreamed of being. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more videos like this one.